So I came in today to build the 1.5 a little bit, to get everything, start putting everything back together, get the cams in, get the cylinder head and stuff washed. And as I'm standing here, flip everything over to start getting ready to insert the dowels into the transmission, the alignment dowels. And I'm looking at the top of this motor, and I was like, what the hell is this? Why is there so many grooves and indentation where somebody dropped this, somebody scored it? These huge indentations in here. It looks like this motor has been dropped. And then I'm over here looking, and I'm like, well, wait a second. On an angle, why do I see these crosshatch marks like somebody took a grinder to this thing? Somebody tried to smooth this out, whatever happened right here. I'm not reusing this. I'm not using this block. I'm going to tell them I don't want this. Give me another one. They're going to have to give me a new seal. They're going to have to give me new gaskets. I'm not going to use this block. This is a chance that I don't want to take. It's too close to where the gasket's going to sit. Let's look and see. Just for just put this down for a second, leave an imprint, and then come back and let's look. Yeah, see right where that outside gasket is right there? Right where that outside part of the gasket is, it's gonna go right over top of that. See the tracking of where that coolant line was, where it's dirty on the bottom? I'm not reusing this. They could take this back, because I don't know if that's going to seal or not. I'm surprised I didn't see that last night, but I was kind of tired, so have to redo that part again. It's just how it is sometimes. I'm glad I came in today and inspected it instead of waiting. You know, mechanic shenanigans. I was a little tired last night, so I chose not to flip that motor over, because there was no reason for me to flip it over, because I was putting a pan and everything on that oil pump on the front. I don't know. That's odd that they would do that and then send it out to be used from the factory, because you could even see all the grinding marks where they tried cleaning up whatever happened. Anyway, I ain't using it, and let's see if we can find something on the town car to do.